Assalamualaikum everyone, I am Roohan Memon and I am a student of Paragon Academy, Badin. So today my topic of presentation is what is language. So language is a source of communication, it is a source to understand, it is a source to share ideas, data, information, knowledge and wisdom. It helps us to argue and question. We can communicate our feelings, emotions, sentiments with the help of a language. We have a language of sound, sign or gestures. Each language has four skills, namely listening, speaking, reading and writing. In this, two are input and two are output. Listening and reading are input and speaking and writing are output. L1, as we all know that L1 is a mother tongue. In L1 we learn listening and speaking at home and reading and writing at school. In L2 we learn all four skills at school. Now I talk about benefits of English language. So what are the benefits of English language? English language has many benefits or advantages. We can communicate well, we can read, write, listen and speak in English. We can have access to the best source of information and knowledge. And it is a language of business, communication, science and technology, banking. And for example, is a tree that uses fertile without a fruit, or a body that uses fertile without a soul. So the present man without English is blind, deaf, dumb, desperate and helpless in the world of skills, opportunities cut through the competition. It has become a lingua franca across the globe, and it is also the official language of Pakistan. Thank you so much.